Here comes the doll with her baby and penguin, ready to explore the yummy food. Let's see what's inside the pink fridge.
Wow, so many yummy treats.
The doll picks out a delicious pink popsicle. So sweet!
Time for the baby to enjoy a treat.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Now it's my turn. So refreshing.
What else is hiding in here?
A yummy cupcake.
Time for a sweet treat. So yummy! This green roll cake is perfect for the baby. Back in the fridge it goes, for later.
The baby doll is happy in her cart. What a cute little one!
Time for some fishy fun! The doll takes out a fish for the baby. So tasty! The baby doll is so happy! Now for the cute little penguin. The penguin goes into the tuna can. Listen to him.
Closing the lid. Oh, the penguin is still chirping.
Next up, the adorable seal.
Hear the cute squeaks, so fun.
The seal gets a cozy spot in the fridge.
The seal is happy in its cool spot.
Let's check the vegetable drawer. So many healthy foods.
The doll is splitting the eggplant. It's magic!
A sweet strawberry for the doll. Yum!
Look, a green bell pepper. So colorful! A tiny life buoy, ready for the pool. Time for the penguin to come out. Chirp, chirp! The penguin is ready for a swim in the drawer pool.
Look, the penguin is swimming in its little pool. Splash, splash.
Time for a refreshing drink, a tiny milk carton. Back in the fridge for another day.
Now, let's explore the orange Pingu fridge. Time for some ice. Clink, clink. A cup of ice and a water bottle, perfect for a drink. The doll pours water for the baby, so refreshing for our little one.
A refreshing drink for me too. So good.
Putting the water bottle back where it belongs.